Creating a WinWin Pro is pretty simple. On the left side of your back office in the trading center, you'll just click on WinWin Pro. Pretty simple. That'll pop up and you'll click the plus button that says add a WinWin Pro. You're going to have a dialog box that pops up and it's going to ask you to name the bot that you want, and you're going to give it a name. You'll select the exchange, which right now it's going to be the Hobby Russia exchange. That's the only exchange that's available for utilizing the WinWin Pro. It'll ask you to select your investment. The minimum is 0.1 BTC. So if you click on the 0.1 BTC, it will allow you to basically click a blue button that says add robot. Once you click add robot, it's going to show up in your trading center. You can look at the details. You can look at the daily earnings. It will share with you each transaction that has been made. If you want to run simulations from that back end, you'll see on the right side, there's a button that says simulation. When you click on simulation, it's going to bring up the date. You can check it by month, by 30-day time frame, or more. So you can go for 30 days minimum up to, a year if you want. You run the simulation and it will share with you the results that the WinWin Pro would have returned during that time period. So if we look at the 2017 time period, January to December, if that's the date, about a year long date from January 1st to December 31st, so 1 year, the full 2017 year, if you click on how much you wanted to invest, let's say you invested 0.5 BTC into the WinWin Pro, you would have returned $1,241.97 over that year. So you can run simulations for 2018, 2017. You can run it for January of 2019. You can run these simulations as much as you want, as often as you want.